Yeah, we're in an elevator with a bunch of my friends from school, and we're stuck on the 15th floor. Look, someone's idea to press every single button in here. Come on in. Come on. We're stopping at every floor.
No, you're not stopping at every floor.
No,
We're gonna see what it does.
we're going to level, right?
No, we're not gonna go to L. We're gonna go to P. There's a secret entrance. So the fitness. No, it's not parking. There's a secret. Well, I want to go anywhere.
What is it?
Stop hitting the button. We're not going anywhere.
You're staying with us.
We're not going anywhere.
No.
Okay, so
I feel like
now since it's gonna take so long, now it's time.
I could have.
We're not going
I
anywhere.
could have trapped you guys in there if I wanted.
Why don't we just go?
Why are you checking?
We're not going anywhere. We're not going
We
anywhere.
need to wait. We
Something
need to
wrong.
wait. We need to wait. We need to wait.
It's not moving.
Please, let this be the end.
It's not moving.
Please let this be a normal field trip. Guys, we just do the stairs.
What the frizz? No way!
Oh wait, if you have to press 15 and 16 to open it. I'm gonna hit up, and then I'm gonna try to get a different elevator to come.
You know what? I don't really care.
We were stuck.
Yeah, honest. That was cool though. I got the elevator.
If we close, it won't let us go down yet. We need to wait for it to close.
It's been a mean-filled
We're not gonna go to the gym.
We're gonna go to Disney World. Well, rainbows in Disney World.
Very finally!
Whoa!
We did it.
We made it. We did it. We've slayed the demons.
Oh, now we don't have enough time
We've slayed the demons.
What do you mean?
to do this.
Well, it has
There's
protected the.
always time
Well,
for
it's
a song.
protected the basic. Well, it's
What
protected.
What? This is fun.
Well, it's been protecting the overworld.